Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create avatar in WhatsApp and how you can use that. You simply need to update WhatsApp first from the Play Store. So as you can see that first step you simply need to search. As you can see that my WhatsApp is up to date. Then you need to go and open WhatsApp. Then you need to click on three dots and click on settings. And then you need to click on avatar and click on create your avatar. So it will take few seconds to load and click on get started and choose your skin color. Click on next and here you need to select your hairstyle. So let me select this one. You can choose dressing and other things as well. So for this tutorial I'm going to click on done and click on save changes. So here you can see that my avatar is updated. Click on next again, and if you want you can create profile picture from this avatar. Okay, and so here you can see, so let me select this profile picture, click on that. So my profile picture is now updated. Let me show you. Here you can see that my profile picture. So how you can use that? So let me open any conversation. Then you need to click on the emoji icon and here you need to click on that, and here you can see different styles of your avatar that you can use in conversation like this. So this is a process by which you can create and use avatar in WhatsApp. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.